Greetings, it's Jerry here. This is just a quick video to show you a haul of cassette recorders and tapes that I recently picked up for the princely sum of $35. If you're interested in this sort of older technology, this might give you some idea of just how worthless these units are to people, and hopefully it might give you some encouragement about picking up some of this old gear and having a go at repairing it. I'll actually also link another video where I repair this unit, which also came in this bundle. If you like this sort of content, please think about subscribing to my channel. Let's get into it. I've just got a haul of old cassette decks. I bought a whole bunch off eBay for about $35 for the whole lot. I was actually really only interested in this boombox, which is a beauty. But I actually got another box of cassette decks, and I got, strangely enough, a backpack full of cassette tapes. The description on eBay was very vague. I was just going off the picture of this boombox, which is very similar, if I can get it, to one that I've worked on in a previous video, only it is larger. So I'm really excited about this. I haven't plugged it in, haven't done anything with it. I'm just going to show you everything that I got. Yeah, the deal was a bit sketchy. The guy wanted me to pick it up from a McDonald's car park for some reason. Anyway, doesn't matter. I have got this. No idea whether it works, what condition it's in. So check out what else I got. I got a box with spider webs in it, which makes me a bit wary. But I have got 4 other cassette decks. So there's that one there, which I quite like the look of. I like that style with the buttons, the little levers. And it's got a beautiful green display on it there. Let's have a look. What else have we got? So there's another one. Of course, I have no idea whether any of these work. Oh, that's interesting. That's a little bit futuristic, maybe. Yeah. No, it's missing its battery cover. And this one here looks to be in the worst condition. It looks to be quite nasty. But that's okay. Like I said, I just wanted the boombox. So that is really a good haul. But I also have the backpack full of tapes, and it's a big backpack. Well, I got a free backpack. Doesn't look too bad condition, actually. But what is inside? I had a quick look in the top, and it's not what I expected. But let's have a look. Open this up. Oh my God. It is just chock-a-block full. I can't believe how many tapes are in here. Oh God, is that it? Nothing else in the backpack? It's not a bad backpack, really. Oh my God, can you believe what's here? Well, let's just go through them. Greatest songs of the 60s. That's not what's in it. Music, moods and memories. Golden treasures. Okay. So, Good News Bible. Okay. What? Dental. Hosted by Geraldine Doog. This corporate radio program is designed for listening while driving. Okay. I've never heard of such a thing. Sunday Sing-Along. Jane Verity's live presentation. How to truly understand dementia. The Lord's Prayer. I think that this probably came from a school or a church, maybe. Or, hang on, something I noticed on here. This cassette deck says, I won't read out the name, right? But it says Unit X, Cumberland, Wheelers Hill, and then it says female, and then a date of birth, and it looks like UNK, an age of 80 years. Maybe this came from a nursing home. Green God, Green Disciples, the environmental dimension of mission. Guessing that's religious. Okay, I'll have to work out what is here. I'll try and put them into piles and we'll see what we've got. Okay, I'm going to pack these away into a box. I'll just tell you what's here. So there's around about 55 religious tapes, ranging from the Bible through to hymns and things like that. So what I'm saying is I'm guessing it's come from a school or some sort of religious place. I don't think there's too many people that would personally have accumulated this many tapes. And the tapes, a lot of them are educational too. I have absolutely no idea what to do with them, apart from perhaps approaching a charity shop and seeing if they want them. I wouldn't force it on them by just dumping them, because God knows whether they could ever get rid of them. These ones here, which seem educational, innovations, business essentials. These are weird. Medical, edition 31. Aspects of child health. Dealing with power, affluence and privilege. How to understand dementia. Walking program. Diabetes update. Dental. I don't know. Alright. So then we got some children's. 3 children's. Just general purpose children's tapes. These are empty, which is unfortunate because this one, I actually would have wanted that one, the bread. 5. This appears to be like classical songs of the 60s, but it doesn't have the 60s in it. Moods and memories it's got in it. So, yeah, general purpose listening, I guess. What have we got here? Are they Italian or something? These ones are interesting. So these appear to be singles. I don't know whether they're promotional or something like that. That's Jason Donovan. I'm Doing Fine. Instrumental. Why is it an instrumental? Skyhooks. Tall Timber. Tall Timber instrumental. So have these been recorded and then recorded as instrumentals? I don't know. It's weird. Freedom Charter instrumental. I might actually want to play some of those and see what exactly is going on. Poetry in Motion. Double Deluxe. Jimi Hendrix. Johnny Be Good. Lover Man. Blue Suede Shoes. Voodoo Chili. Alright. That's got to be the keeper out of all of this. Christofari. Soulfire. Thanks, praise. Don't know. That could be a religious one as well. You know. And then we have all of these, which are normal cassette tapes. So there's how many of those? Close to 30 of those cassette tapes. That's what we got out of the cassette tape backpack. All right, so I have packed away all of those cassette tapes that I absolutely don't want, and I will take them to charity and ask them whether they want them or not. Otherwise, I guess, yeah, they'll have to go in the bin. I don't know. But let's test these bad boys. See what they do. These are the only two that I really would like to repair and keep. I suppose we should just have a quick look around it. Just check the battery. Well, let's look at the features. So it's dual cassette. It takes metal tapes, which I think are high quality. A couple of big speakers there. Got the little tweeters or something like that up there. It's a pretty standard boombox type arrangement. FM, mid-wave. Actually looks in really good condition. Let's have a look at the back. It's heavy too. I need to put my mat down, but I'll just be very gentle. Okay, so we've got microphone left, microphone right, external speakers. Oh, there's dead spiders and bugs and things like that in every corner. It's been in somewhere nasty. Aux in, tape out, and the battery compartment is quite clean actually. Alright, let's just, oh yeah, so does the eject work? Obviously it works on that one. Stop eject. Yeah. Have a look inside. It doesn't look horrible inside. Did it just... You know what, I'm just going to go for it. See if it pops. I mean, there could be all sorts of bugs and things in there. I'm going to have to edit that out. Basically, it turned on, it was at full volume, and even when I turned the volume, it was on radio, and when I turned the volume, it wasn't doing anything. And you can you hear that? So the volume is cactus on that. The pot. Okay, well that's all right. A lot of hissing in there, even though it's on tape. Really shouldn't be doing anything. Well, I found a Mozart. Let's put that in. What happens if you press play? Yeah, I don't think that's the tape's even moving. Stop eject. It sounds like it's moving. Like the tape is actually spinning. That pot is just terrible. Okay, well, you know, did we expect anything different? So, there's that. Yeah, so it turns on. Got a problem with the volume for sure. I don't think this is even moving here. This does move the tape, but clearly the belt is cactus because it's all warbly and terrible. That was to be expected. So let me put that aside. Let's have a look at this one. I think this is quite cute. So where's the battery? Yeah, battery compartment's okay. Very dirty. Can we eject? Oh yes, we can eject. Alright, let's plug her in and see what happens, eh? Aha! Okay, so let's turn the radio off. Ah, Well, we can't turn the radio off. So that button's not working. Got sleep. I wonder what sleep is. Sleep on. It's a battery VU. So that's giving you the battery. On, off. Mixing and pause. Well, there's no way to turn it off. Oh. So yeah, so we won't be able to test the tape because we can't turn off this switch from radio to tape. Okay, no problem. That gives us something to work with, eh?